Mitsubishi cars.
Alright folks, today we're gonna go get the block for this Mitsubishi engine. And you know how it goes. Once you have the block, it's the foundation of everything. You can, what is it called that? Have everything, you can install everything and everything is gonna be great. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna go to the machine shop and get the block so we can get it prepared for assembly, okay? So join me, huh? Alright, we're here at the machine shop. Get the block.
Get free Socialgood crypto while shopping your favorite stores. Not a scam, and the system is patented in Japan and is registered and based in Japan. You can get up to 100% of your value in crypto as you make purchases that you can withdraw later for cash or convert the Socialgood crypto to BTC. Sign up today, it's free, and you receive $100 in free Socialgood crypto. Just scan the QR code and input our membership link below to get started. Code, referral code AT6KL8.
So guys, if you already don't know, this is a GSXR 600 and they are doing some head work on it and trying to get the seal that goes around the car, the spark plug to seal it because it was leaking, and I believe it would probably leak into the combustion chamber. I'm not sure, but that's what the story is with this. So were you getting the oil leaking into the combustion chamber or just out of the engine? Which one, or both?
Both.
Oh shit. Then it was hitting the pipe and smoking and stuff like that too?
The leak is coming from here.
Oh my
this
God.
this hose. It's intended to leak because of the when the o-ring is damaged, so that the oil will not fill up the spark plug. This will happen.
This is probably going to have to be replaced now if it's contaminated. It's really a stupid place for that's the oil pump, right?
Yeah.
Stupid place for it. One hit with a big rocket's going, you know? Is this a semi-naked or fully framed bike?
Fully framed.
Oh, okay. The body parts are probably somewhere else, right?
Not this bike. Not this bike. Haven't driven it to the Marilake.
Interesting. There's a lot of...
I don't usually ride. He does.
Him?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't even think he was into bikes until today. How come you didn't tell me? Oh, he's probably going to say, because you didn't ask. I'm assuming you built your engine and your Honda yourself too, right? I know you know how to do it. Yeah, we were talking because there was a certain car that you rarely see in the Philippines, probably not at all if you're into Hondas, right? I mean, like he is. I told him, hey, you know, I got a special kind of Honda. They go, what do you mean? I go, you heard of a SIR Civic, right? You heard of those? Civic SIR? And I go, have you ever heard of a Accord SIR though?
No.
That's what I mean. The Honda guys know the car, right? But they never seen one. And then I went to the Accord Facebook, and I go, hey sir, you got a lot of Accords on your members list, right? And they go, yeah. And I go, you got an Accord SIR? And they go, ano po? I said Accord SIR. They're like, wala po, kopya lang. And I said, oh shit. I go, hey, what if I told you I got the real deal? They're like, what? I go, yeah. It's left-hand drive. It's got Japanese writing. You know the sticker under the hood where it said it's manufactured? Mm-hmm. It's all Japanese, and at the very bottom it said manufactured in Marsville, Ohio, which is legit, right? Because an SIR Accord if it's not sold in Thailand, England, or Japan, it's sold everywhere else, right? Except the Philippines too. So it has to be left-hand drive. And then everything on there's got Japanese lettering, even on their fuse box is all Japanese. But at the very bottom of the tag it says Marsville, Ohio. So I wasn't satisfied. I'm like, oh, that's interesting. So I went in on the back of it. You know how in the Philippines you got one that says, what's on the back of the Philippine Accord? Is it ETI at the back or BTS? ETI? Yeah. Okay. So you know where the tag is at the bottom, lower lip of the trunk lid, right? But on mine, when I first bought the car, I didn't even tell the owner that was selling. I don't think he knew, right? I said, hey man, what kind of VTEC did you say you had in this thing? Because those things don't come with VTEC. Maybe there's only one that came with the SOHC VTEC, right? I think a 2.3 liter. And then he goes, no, it's a DOHC. I go, what? What did you say? He goes, DOHC. And I go, what color is the block? He goes, oh, it's blue. Oh, that don't look good. It's deformed. Yep.
Isa lang eh.
Ha? Tres.
Eh, hindi yung isa okay pa. Hindi na natin mapalitan. Hindi kaya nga. Baka nga mas okay pa yung isa.
Yan yung okay pa. Ay, ito yung okay. Yung tres. Eh, 4 lang siya tumatapit eh. Matabado.
Oh, is it flattened for the heat? Oh, so originally it was round?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Supposed to be round.
Interesting. So did you hear about the guy that died on Marilati? He was riding a what you call that, Ducati Campagnale or something like that.
Panigale.
Yeah, Panigale. You know that guy, right? He was an ad rider. Professional, driving like a complete moron. You know what I mean? he did the exit curve like this, not the inside curve where the bushes are, right? Exit curve where the traffic is coming. And there was not enough time to slow down, especially, I don't know, 150 kilometers an hour he was going at a really, really short distance, right? So a skilled rider that's been riding for a long time would not do something so stupid like that. A skilled rider normally looks for straights, am I right? I mean, what is the point of skinning your knee when you're going to die into a head-on collision with a damn, what you call that thing? L300, whatever that thing was. No, high ace, like, yeah, it was a high ace. Oh, pieces of them everywhere. He hit the high ace and bounced into the, you know, the railings of the thing, and that's what ripped him apart. Oh, it was gross. But that's pretty sad. He was young, and he had a very, very well-to-do father and family, I believe is what it was. And
Came from a family.
yeah, you heard about that, right? And then he was has an expensive motorcycle. How much is it? 2 or 3 million, something like that.
Around like,
Oh my God,
that price.
what a waste, huh?
Around that price tag.
Yeah.
Pumasok, guys. I think so.
I would say screw it, do it. Fishing trip, huh? Fishing O-ring.
So dito ko meron ako mga 245 na lang isa.
Meron daw dito sa shop. Ano na lang? Magkano bili ko doon? 250. 248 na lang dito sa shop. Pumunta ka man dito.
Finally.
Tingnan niya kung meron.
Wow. So fascinating.
Huwag mo lang yan, no? Higa mo lang yung magpupo. Ay, ano mo na? Higa mo lang, huwag mo lang itapat. Mas malakas yung yung apoy sa hangin.
Ilan NM to?
Ito na.
I work on those engines that the people just keep driving their car and they never change their oil or fluids. It's really stupid, right? I mean, you do that for every vehicle, including a scooter, you know, not just a car, you know. But there's people like that.
Some people just drive.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It's terrible. That would give me a heart attack if that thing cracked.